Hi guys, I am here with very short questions of English literature. Dear friends, these are some questions which often asked in competitive exam. चाहे वो कोई भी competitive exam हो, इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन जो है ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप में पूछे जाते हैं. चाहे वो आपका पीजीटी हो, चाहे पीएससी हो, चाहे सेट हो, चाहे टीजीटी हो, इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. तो इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश. लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैन इज बॉर्न फ्री बट लास्ट ही इज एवरीवेयर इन चेंज. हु सेड दिस? किसने ये कहा है कि मैन इज बॉर्न फ्री बट एल्स ही इज एवरीवेयर इन चेंज? हु सेड दिस? So what is the correct answer of this question? The correct answer of this question is Rousseau. Rousseau. Rousseau said man is born free but alas he is everywhere in chains. Rousseau said this. The second question is the beginning of romantic movement is marked by. The beginning of romantic movement is marked by. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is lyrical ballads. Lyrical ballads. And third question is who is known as the priest of nature? किसको priest of nature के नाम से जाना जाता है? तो the correct answer is William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is known as priest of nature. And the prelude, it is the work of Wordsworth is. The prelude by Wordsworth is a. तो जो the prelude है वर्ड्सवर्थ के द्वारा वो क्या है? तो the correct answer is autobiographical poem. Autobiographical poem. And the fifth question is 3 years she grew is the subtitle of. 3 years she grew is the subtitle of. So the correct answer of this question is education of nature. Education of nature. Education of nature. So first question is man is born free but last he is everywhere in chance. Rousseau said this. The beginning of romantic movement is marked by lyrical ballads. Who is known as the priest of nature? William Wordsworth. The prelude by Wordsworth is an autobiographical poem. And 3 years she grew is the subtitle of education of nature. Now, next question number 6 is the heroine of Coleridge Christabel. Coleridge के द्वारा लिखा हुआ Christabel जो है, जो वर्क है, उसकी हीरोइन कौन है? So the heroine of Coleridge Christabel is, the correct answer is Geraldine. Geraldine is the heroine of Coleridge Christabel. Next question is nature poet who has been endowed with organic sensibility is. So the nature poet who has been endowed with organic sensibility is John Keats. John Keats. John Keats is nature poet who has been endowed with organic sensibility. And next question is Wordsworth believes that the language of poetry should be. Wordsworth believes that the language of poetry should be. Wordsworth का मानना था कि जो पोएट्री की लैंग्वेज है वो क्या होनी चाहिए? So the correct answer of this question is simple. Simple. Wordsworth believed that the language of poetry should be simple. And next question is who was called by Keats as the egotistical sublime? कई बार ये पूछा जाता है कि who said, who called, तो आपको लिखना है John Keats. And who was called by Keats the egotistical sublime? The correct answer is William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth. And the last question of this one is Wordsworth's mother died when he was only years. कितने साल के थे विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ जब उनकी मदर की डेथ हुई थी? The correct answer is 13 years. 13 years. So these are questions. The heroine of Coleridge Christabel is Geraldine. Nature poet who has been endowed with organic sensibility, John Keats. And Wordsworth believed that the language of poetry should be simple. Who was called by Keats the egotistical sublime? William Wordsworth. And Wordsworth's mother died when he was only 13 years. So dear friends, these are 10 questions. Mostly these types of questions are asked in competitive exam. चाहे कोई भी competitive exam हो, आपका PS चाहे वो पीजीटी हो, चाहे टीजीटी हो, पीएससी हो, सेट हो, इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन जो है इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में पूछे जाते हैं। तो इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।